chicken back, and we have some oil over here, and this is the oil that is remaining from the chicken back. So I'm gonna add a spoon of sugar to that oil. Add a little more sugar and just allow this to burn. So I'll be going on low heat for the time being. When the sugar reaches to your desired color, you're gonna pour the chicken in. The chicken was seasoned with Maggi all-purpose, Maggi jerk, and Maggi chicken seasoning, along with some paprika, garlic powder. I also had some turmeric and a little topa soy sauce. Once you pour that chicken in, I left it for like a minute before I start turning, and make sure the stove is on low heat. You can also add the chicken to the pot and start turning, but I usually left it for like a minute and then I start turning. You're gonna continuously turn that chicken every minute until the meat reach your desired color. So that's what we're gonna do for now. We're not gonna add any liquid to the meat until we reach the color that we desire. So all you have to do is just keep turning the chicken gradually or every minute, and remember to keep the chicken on low heat for best result. Let that be skin again, and then we're going to turn. So give it a minute. So go in and cover it and make that go and cook. Alright, so just have a nice color. Nice color, so we can start put them tough boning out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water to this. Just rinse it. I'm not gonna add too much. I'm gonna cover that and let that do the thing. Still on low heat. Let's go back in and check. See what I got. Some more water. I don't boil it. So I'll cover this now. And then I'll come over here, so we'll cut up some seasoning. We have scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, carrot, Irish tomato, and garlic. Pepper. Some freezer. season I think I will add some put a piece of that. Get them seasoned here together. I don't know, it's a habit for me to always be cutting the onion first. I don't even know why I'm doing that. Come on, I can't start off cutting any other seasoning first with the onion. Alright, this one's good. The chops in my water. Put the Irish water. Alright, so we'll cook the Irish. And guys, you can add your carrot if you want at this point. So I'm gonna put this about maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the rest of seasoning. So I'm gonna go in with some tomato paste. Guys, use ketchup if that's your preference. So I finished with the Irish. So that'll take maybe 5 minutes. Let's see. So we're just going to finish with the Irish. Alright, so we're gonna check on the pattern now. show. This is what we're working with. Maybe nice and thick. Guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.